7.3. What is done with SMTP settings? Starting with firmware version 4, the SMTP configuration is no longer performed in the web editor, but via this tab on the configuration page. The username editor and password are necessary. Host IP, name of outgoing email server, port of the SMTP server, sender of the email, SMTP authentication. If authentication is required, this option must be enabled. A new window opens in which the username and password are entered. During authentication, it is not possible to select SSL or TLS. Note: it is strongly discouraged to use an SMTP configuration without authentication and without TLS encryption. To check the information and the error-free execution of an email, hit the Test button. A test mail is sent to the sender. Example configurations, such as Hotmail or Gmail, are described in more detail in the application program description.